G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Little bit of an exciting day for myself because, as you know, about 2 years ago I put in the in-bay touchless automatic and I haven't really given it that much love lately. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now, and I'm getting a delivery today of a brand new archway saying entrance, and also a brand new sign, light up LED sign with all my packages on it, 6, 9 and 12, which is how much my packages are. So that delivery is expected in a couple of hours. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up the car wash, we're going to do the cash and wait for the delivery. So I'm excited to show you guys exactly what I bought to help improve my in-bay touchless automatic. But let's go check it out. So I'm actually very embarrassed to show you this, but just over the last couple of weeks it got worse and worse and worse. Started chipping off, people started ripping it. So right now this is what I have. Pathetic, embarrassing, and it just looks horrible. The automatic almost, I got the big sign up there, it almost needs changing. The automatic itself is fine. It's all still pretty new. Like I said, it's only been here for 2 years. Haven't really had any issues with it, just the odd reset here and there due to things touching it, cars not getting in line with the sensors and all that kind of jazz. The Condor. Like I said, I have my LED package sign coming, which will be cool. So I'll be able to get rid of this. It's going to be the same packages, and I'll probably put it here so they can pull up to the pay station and they'll be able to read the packages right here on the sign. And then I have the big archway coming, which will go here and it'll say entrance. So they got to figure out where to put that. Either that side or that side, probably that side. But yeah, the truck should be here in a couple of hours. So very excited for that. In the meantime, let's go see what Edwin's doing. Oh, look what he's doing. Nice big tow truck getting washed. What are you doing, messing around?
Yeah, just playing games.
Playing games?
Yeah.
Look at this.
The usual.
Destroyed. No good. So changing out this hose. I don't even usually use these hoses because this isn't the wire braided ones I like. For some reason I had one of these laying around and we put it on. It only lasted like 3 months opposed to the wire braided ones, which last a lot longer. Don't mess up, people are watching.
Never.
So this is the new hose. You can see you put it up top here with the swivel. Just take it off the swivel, take it off at the end of the brush handle and switch it out. Easy peasy, Edwin Squeezy. Must have done it up too tight last time.
I think you put them on.
Incredible Hulk.
Yeah.
That just comes off like that.
Way.
Ta-da! Trash. And then connect that one to here as we wait for the truck delivery. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Wow, he's like an expert. I remember the first day you trying to do that.
Right. I'm still learning. I'm not the best, but
Second best. That goes on there, and Bob's your uncle.
you know what I like about these
Keep it clean.
these hoses?
What?
They came with the swivel already. You don't have to put the actual swivel on the.
So we got double swivels.
Yeah.
So technically we don't even need that one, but that's probably better. I should order them all the time.
Yeah. I like it.
Don't know why I don't. Anyway, that's enough of that. And another little problem we just discovered is I think there's a leak on the roof. You can see a very slight drip there, which I mean isn't the biggest deal right now. It's just a tiny drip, but it means there's a leak and we don't want leaks. So let's go on the roof and see where it's coming from. See, it's getting a little worse now. We don't want no leaks. Alright, up we go. When you get a car wash and you renovate it, you're up and down this ladder on the roof so many times. What? Let's see what he's on about. Let's see what he's on about. So there should be a leak up here. There it is. The hose is all messed up. See right there? So it's the high pressure hose to bay 1. We could just cut there, and then join it together. But I don't like band-aids because that's a short-term solution. I do have a spare hose, so what we might do is just run a whole brand new hose and then it's good for another couple of years. What do you think, Mr. Car Wash Guy?
Well, I think we got to get it done before it gets worse.
I like the...
Yeah, that's a good management
I like
right
the
there.
thought. Must
Yeah.
have a good teacher.
I noticed a couple days ago, and I noticed we have a spare hose in one of the car wash in Barstow, and I brought it out, and look at where we at now,
Yeah.
fixing the problem.
So this is the spare hose here. It's only 50 feet, so from my memory from building the car wash, I don't think it's long enough, especially to reach bay 1. But we're gonna try and feed it through the pipe to keep it out of the sun. If it's too difficult, it shouldn't be difficult because
Maybe you can start breaking down.
there's openings. So even though this one's not long enough, we're just going to join it with another hose. And then we'll just finish feeding this through to inside. Just like that. Come out here. Make sure it doesn't tangle. And then he'll feed that down. Hopefully it's all clear and smooth, and let me go in the motor room and grab it. I see it. I see it. There it is. So that's as long as it goes, and then we're just gonna get another hose, go from there to bay 1. So lucky I had one of these laying around, 3/8 coupling, which is what I will need to join the hoses. Where's the spare hose at? Oh, we don't have any right down there. Always have spare hoses. So we got that. We'll just join it with this. Actually, it's not the first time I've done this. I did this about 6 months ago with bay 5. That's the end result right there. So we're gonna do the same. We're just gonna put that on there, and then the other hose down there. Piece of cake. And for those of you interested, the hose that is the one that needs replacing is this one right here. Goes straight into there, which goes into the unloader, which regulates the pressure, how much water, how much PSI you want, how powerful you want it in the bay. Then it goes through the cat pump. All right, we replaced the hose. Now we're going to turn it on and see if it's leaking. It shouldn't be, unless we did something wrong, which is all the time. Okay, bay is on. Taking time to come through the new hose. We have water. Shouldn't be any leaks. Brand new hose, why would it? Let's go inside and make sure. Nothing coming out inside. Hey, doggy. There you go, brand new hose. Good for a few more years. Good job. We'll finish it off by taping up these again. so no pigeons can get inside, because that's what they like to do, get inside and hatch their eggs and take all the dumps and all that kind of stuff. So we want to keep it nice and clean, free of bird dung. So we'll just tape these bad boys back up so nothing can get in. Like that. There it is. Well, here it is, the big entrance sign, the big package sign. We can't see it, but we're gonna take it out of the box and take it inside. That's the base of the entrance hole. Cool. Let's break this thing up. There it is. That's what it's gonna look like. I think it's pretty cool. Hopefully they didn't mess it up. Wow, look at that. It's actually not heavy at all. It's not as big as I thought either. What do you expect for 1,700 bucks? And we also got these J bolts and the extra Hana, whatever it is, to bolt them into the ground. Big friggin' bolts. Whether I use them or not, I've never used these before, but I know you gotta do the whole cement thing, dig up the ground, put them in the wet cement and let them dry. That should be strong enough, otherwise it's just anchors on the bottom here. But I don't know, these look pretty damn solid, so we might have to use the J-bolts in the wet cement. Let's carry these big boys inside and see what the sign looks like. Here it is, let's see it.
Ready?
Wow! That looks kind of cool. Touchless car wash. What do you think?
I'm impressed.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, here's the wires for the LED because it's a light up. So that won't be too difficult. Mr. Electrician,
Yeah.
who doesn't know what to do.
Can't wait to mix it up.
All right, so we are done. We loaded in the new sign and the new. Are you eating? What do you got? 4x4, 4x2. In and out, best of the best.
Yeah, very fresh. If you ever close by over here, make sure you stop by here because in and out is good.
Yeah, listen to Edwin. So I'll probably film another video of us installing the sign, installing the big entrance archway, so I'm excited for that, probably in a couple of days. But for now, this is it. We are out of here. So thanks for watching. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles and Edwin.
Thank you for watching.